Want your day to run smoother with barely any effort? These Amazon products are designed to automate routines, cut out busy work, and handle the small stuff for you. From your home to your daily habits, they quietly take over so you can focus on what actually matters. All products are linked in the description below. Your personal movie theater can now travel with you. These lightweight AR video glasses project a massive virtual screen right in front of your eyes, turning games, movies, and work into a fully immersive experience. The micro OLED display delivers rich colors and deep contrast, so everything looks sharp and cinematic instead of flat. Built-in speakers create clear, private sound that stays with you, even in public spaces. Just plug them into your phone, console, or laptop, and you're instantly inside your content. Running out of battery never picks a good time. This ultra-compact power bank slips easily into your pocket, but delivers fast, reliable charging when you need it most. With high-speed output, you can top up your phone, tablet, or even a lightweight laptop without waiting around. The digital display shows you exactly how much power you have left, so there are no surprises. It's the kind of everyday carry that keeps you connected wherever you go. Cleaning your floors can finally be a hands-off job. This smart robot vacuum and mop cleans, refills itself, washes its mops, and even dries them without you lifting a finger. Powerful suction pulls dust and pet hair from carpets, while spinning mops scrub hard floors until they shine. AI navigation helps it recognize rooms, avoid obstacles, and clean more efficiently every time. You can start, stop, or schedule cleanups with your phone or voice and just enjoy a cleaner home. Sometimes it's the small details that change the whole vibe. This mini USB LED light adds a soft, cozy glow to your car without being distracting at night. Just plug it into a USB port and tap the top to turn it on or off. The retro glass-style design gives your interior a warm, nostalgic feel while helping you spot items in the dark. You can even use it outside the car as a simple night light anywhere a USB port is nearby. Mopping doesn't have to feel like a workout anymore. This cordless electric mop sprays, scrubs, and glides across your floors with almost no effort from you. Spinning pads tackle dust and sticky messes while staying gentle on delicate surfaces. Built-in LED headlights help you see dirt hiding under furniture and in dark corners. You just pull the trigger to spray, guide it forward, and let the mop do the hard work for you. Your earbuds just got a serious upgrade. These wireless earbuds come with a full-color touchscreen built right into the charging case, letting you control music, calls, and settings without touching your phone. Noise canceling helps block out distractions so you can stay focused on what you're listening to. You can switch between music and game modes for smoother sound and lower delay. It's a smart, stylish way to put more control right at your fingertips. Your desk setup just stepped into the future. This wireless mechanical keyboard mixes bold, cyber-style design with a compact layout that keeps everything within easy reach. Smooth linear switches make every press fast, quiet, and satisfying, whether you're gaming or typing. Custom lighting lets you dial in the exact vibe you want, from subtle glow to full RGB energy. You can use it wired or wireless, swap switches easily, and enjoy a keyboard that looks just as powerful as it feels. Cold spots in your room don't need a bulky heater anymore. This plug-in space heater sits right in the wall outlet and delivers steady warmth exactly where you need it. You can set the temperature, check it on the LED display, and control everything with the remote. A built-in timer lets you warm the room only when you want, saving energy. With overheat protection built in, you get comfort without worrying about safety. Bring your old photos back to life without a computer. This film and slide scanner converts negatives and slides into crisp digital images in seconds. The large 5-inch LCD screen lets you preview, edit, and adjust colors before saving, making it simple to get perfect results. Quick load trays and included adapters handle multiple film types easily. Just scan, save to an SD card, and share your memories instantly with friends and family. Give your keys a spot that's both stylish and functional. This wall-mounted key hanger doubles as a decorative piece, adding personality to your hallway, kitchen, or entryway. Its car-inspired design makes it perfect for automotive enthusiasts or anyone who loves unique decor. Made from durable materials, it holds your keys securely while looking eye-catching. Just mount it on the wall and enjoy a practical yet charming accent in your home. Step into a driving experience that's as relaxing as a scenic escape. This smart car air freshener fills your vehicle with a natural, long-lasting fragrance while creating a dreamy waterfall and cloud ambiance. Its replaceable essential oil boxes prevent leaks and make refills effortless. The intelligent chip automatically activates with your car's motion, while you can adjust scent strength and ambient lighting to match your mood. Safe, soothing, and stylish, it keeps your ride fresh for months. Never let cold hands slow you down again. These rechargeable hand warmers keep your hands toasty for up to 16 hours, with 4 heat levels to match your comfort. They double as a portable USB-C charger, so your devices stay powered while you play or explore. 7 RGB lights let you add style to your setup, and magnetic covers protect ports from dust. Perfect for gamers, campers, or anyone braving the cold. Upgrade your hand drying game with this compact and powerful hand dryer. Its touch-free infrared sensor activates automatically, keeping things hygienic and convenient. The high-speed motor blasts air at 6.3 gallons per second, drying hands in seconds while bringing commercial-grade performance into your home. With a portable stand and compact design, you can place it anywhere, from the kitchen to the bathroom. Easy to set up, durable, and backed by a 1-year warranty. It's a modern essential. Cut through tough materials like cardboard, carpet, and leather with zero effort. These cordless electric scissors feature a titanium-coated blade that self-sharpens in just 10 seconds, keeping every cut precise. Switch between Eco and Boost modes for smooth or extra power cutting, while the LED display keeps you informed about battery life and mode status. Tool-free blade changes make swapping safe and simple. Lightweight and ergonomic, they're perfect for long crafting or DIY sessions. Turn any drink into a frozen treat in minutes. This slushy machine spins your favorite liquids into smooth, icy drinks with its rapid chill system. No ice needed. 5 preset programs and adjustable temperature controls let you perfect the texture, whether thick and creamy or light and slushy. The easy fill vessel makes pouring, topping off, and cleaning a breeze. From margaritas to frappes, it keeps your drinks frozen and ready to enjoy for hours. Bring the gym home with this compact Stair Stepper. Its adjustable height and extra-wide non-slip pedals let anyone step confidently, while supporting up to 350 pounds for a stable workout. Track your steps, calories, and time on the LCD display to stay motivated and focused. The near-silent resistance system and comfy foam handles make each session smooth and quiet. Foldable and space-saving, it's perfect for small home gyms or apartments. Ignite with style using this spinning arc lighter. Its rotating plasma arc looks futuristic while lighting candles, incense, or fireworks effortlessly, even in windy conditions. The ultra-sensitive touch switch fires with a single press and powers off automatically after 7 seconds for safety. USB rechargeable and compact, it's easy to carry anywhere. Sleek, lightweight, and durable, this flameless lighter adds a modern twist to camping trips, travel, or everyday use. Measure anything with ease using this electronic digital tape measure. It rolls smoothly over flat, curved, or irregular surfaces and displays results clearly on the LCD screen. Switch between units, track cumulative measurements, and store up to 10 past readings for convenience. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it stretches up to 29.5 feet in a single range and 324 feet cumulatively. Perfect for home projects, tailoring, or schoolwork. It makes measuring smarter, faster, and more accurate. Keep your phone secure and charged while you drive with this wireless car charger. Its auto-clamping design holds your phone firmly using a smart gravity sensor, so one hand is all you need to mount or remove it. Supports fast wireless charging for compatible devices and rotates 360 degrees to find the perfect viewing angle. The vent-safe grip prevents scratches and stays stable even during sudden stops. Compact, convenient, and easy to use, it turns your car into a hands-free charging station. Step into the future of video with this webcam. Its large sensor delivers bright, detailed images even in low light, while AI tracking follows your every move across 4 modes. Voice and gesture control let you operate the camera hands-free, and 0.3-second autofocus keeps you sharp instantly. Customize settings for streaming, meetings, or presentations, and enjoy smooth, responsive video at 60 frames per second. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for professional calls, content creation, or online teaching. Bring a truly intelligent companion to your desk with this AI desktop robot. Powered by ChatGPT, it chats with you naturally, responding with humor, context, and personality. Its advanced vision lets it recognize objects, people, and room layouts, even responding to gestures. Louis remembers faces and routines, evolving over time to feel like a friend. Expressive animations show emotion, while practical features like 10-watt wireless charging, reminders, and games make it both fun and useful. Say goodbye to stagnant water and hello to fresh hydration for your pets. This smart water fountain automatically refills with clean water, discarding the old and slimy stuff so your cats and small dogs always have something refreshing to drink. Its dual tank system keeps every sip hygienic, and you don't need filters or constant maintenance. The large 3.5-liter capacity covers several days, while the rechargeable battery lasts up to 180 days. Almost silent and cordless, you can place it anywhere for worry-free hydration. Say hello to a mouse that bends to your needs, literally! This foldable Bluetooth arc mouse snaps into a curved shape to power on and flattens to power off, making it instantly travel-ready. Its touch bar replaces the traditional scroll wheel for smooth navigation. Ultra slim and lightweight, it slips into your bag or pocket without bulk. Works with laptops, tablets, and even smartphones, giving you wireless freedom anywhere. Batteries last long, and setup is quick with simple Bluetooth pairing. Turn your phone cases into wearable art with this 3D vacuum heat press. It wraps designs perfectly around edges and curves, leaving no bubbles or messy lines. You can adjust temperature and time precisely for vivid, professional quality prints. Universal fixtures fit most iPhones and popular Androids, so you don't need extra molds. The included software and AI tools help you position and mirror designs perfectly. Everything comes in one kit: film, fixtures, badges, and tools, ready for creative projects at home or in a small shop. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one printmaking kit. With 16 versatile pieces, you can print on dozens of surfaces, from paper to fabric and most porous materials. It's designed for easy customization, letting you create patterns, textures, or unique designs with precision. Pair it with other printmaking tools to expand your possibilities even further. Compact and organized, it keeps everything at your fingertips, making creative projects simple and fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.